Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Envy 4520 series. I have 4523, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix jammed paper on this device. So first we need to open the cover of the printer. So not the cover from the scanner, but this cover. So cover of the printer. You can do it. As you can see here, you have the place to open the cover. So just touch it and open. Great. And here, as you can see, the paper is go over here and returning into this slot. So here we need to open this part of the printer. I don't know how it calls. So to open it, you need to press and hold together this and this button. So press and hold this both and take it out. And here you will see the jammed paper. So you need to disable the printer from the power. And now just take the jammed paper off. Then you need to return this part of the printer back. So return back in this way. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.